So, hello again. Oops, be careful, it's a bit slippery. So, as I said just before, I'm really happy because we're going to talk about cuisine. And I'm really happy also because I can see that cuisine and food and gastronomy interest a lot of people. I can see that the room is full today. Yeah, let's say it's a pleasure. It's a pleasure also because I'm really talkative. You're going to see it during the speech. I'm going to try to stay in the limit of 20 minutes, but I know that we're going to have a question and answer session after, so it's okay for me. Today, actually in Indonesia, we are so far away from France. There are something like 12,000 kilometers between Indonesia and France. We don't have the same culture, we don't speak the same language. If I speak in French, I'm sure that only maybe 2 or 3 people will understand it. So it means that even our way of life is different. But still, we have something that gathers us. We have some values that we share together. And maybe, I don't know, you will tell me, maybe one of the values that really gather us is the love of food, the love of cuisine. We love taste, we love flavor. I know it because in Indonesia when I try different dishes, I like the taste. And even if it's far away from the taste that I'm used to, I can feel that there is love of taste and love of cuisine. So, even if we are far, we have this shared value, cuisine, love of food. And we're going to see that this love can be shared everywhere in the world. Next. Since actually this adventure, we're going to talk about that is called Good France, that you could see on the previous slide. Good France, Good France, Goût de France, Taste of France, started in 2010. Because in 2010, UNESCO recognized the French gastronomic meal as part of the intangible heritage of humanity. It's pretty different from World Heritage, including historical sites or buildings. Here, in this intangible heritage of humanity, we try to underline and to help some cultural processes that provide living communities with a sense of continuity with the previous generations and are important to cultural identity as well as to the safeguarding of cultural diversity and creativity of humanity. Wow, this is a long definition. And the French gastronomic meal is part of this. It's not a site, it's not a building, but it is a cultural process. What is it, a gastronomic French meal? It's the gathering of people, families of friends, around a made-up table. Very nice. And you have people, they want to share a very quality dish. They want to share the taste, they want to share some appropriate wine also. But the main goal is to share values and to share time together. So this cultural process is part of intangible heritage of humanity. Next. This Good France, Good France, is pretty interesting. I will be able to do next. What is, in order to carry on this tradition of French gastronomic meal, a few months ago, the French Ministry of Foreign Affairs and the chef Alain Ducasse, maybe you already heard this name, it's a very famous French chef that already had several stars, Michelin stars for his restaurant and his cuisine. They decided to gather and to launch a big gathering movement The name of this movement is Good France, Good France. We cannot really see on this map, but you can recognize in the middle France, this country, and on the right side, Indonesia. So we can see that we are far away. But the idea behind Good France was to gather all the restaurants in the world, all chefs in the world, to carry on, to show what is the tradition of a French gastronomic meal. Actually, it was pretty interesting because the first step for the restaurants was to, before the 15th of December, they had to fill their profile on the website, and they had to propose a menu regarding the guidelines. They had to prepare something with an appetizer, cold starter and hot starter, fish or crustacean, meat or poultry, and also cheese dessert with appropriate French wine. It's not that easy to fill this kind of requirements and guidelines, but in the end, more than 1,300 restaurants through the world decided to join this event in order to show their creativity, their enthusiasm about French cuisine, but not only about French cuisine, because the point is, it's not about French cuisine. If a restaurant in Indonesia or in Cambodia wants to participate, he wants also to show his own tradition, his own recipe, the tastes that are local. And this was also a point very important for the committee of selection that we can see here. Actually, 40 different chefs in the world gather in order to select the different menus and restaurants. 40 big names. The biggest name is Alain Ducasse, as I said earlier, but also Paul Bocuse, that maybe some of you know about, etc., etc. So, there's 40 white chefs, well, chef in white. They take time to look at all the menus that have been proposed, and they say, okay, this one, etc. And in the end, the expectation was to gather 1,000 restaurants, and in the end we have 1,300 restaurants. So, even better than the forecast, actually. What about Indonesia? Because I have said earlier, we are far away. But in the end, 10 different restaurants in Indonesia decided to join this event and to celebrate cuisine. 5 restaurants in Jakarta, 3 in Surabaya. So you're going to be able to enjoy French gastronomic meals soon. 1 in Yogyakarta and 1 in Bali. Here is a list of the different restaurants. So, next week, the 19th of March, next Thursday, all the restaurants in the world gonna prepare, gonna show their menu, gonna welcome clients in order to make them taste this gastronomic meal. I don't know if you recognize the one from Surabaya? Yeah, Citrusly, and downstairs you have Sheraton, the Café Gourmand, and also Vis-a-Vis from Marriott. So please open your agenda and write maybe this date if you want to experiment this kind of gastronomic meal. And let's have a look on what you will be able to eat. Maybe for those who are in the back, they cannot read it, but you're going to be able to discover tastes that are really French, but also prepared in the Indonesian way. Here is an example of citrusy menu, and there is one that I really love. I don't know if you love tiger prawns, but here in the hot starter, we propose tiger prawns with lobster oil, dry seaweeds with pan-seared foie gras. You heard about foie gras? That liver, it's a very French specialty. And with confit and apple pickles. So this is one example from this restaurant, Citrusly. Another example from one of the other restaurants is, for example, the lobster. Okay, I'm really crazy about fish, actually. So that's why I always pick this one, but yeah. What is interesting is that it's cooked in butter. Like, really French way of cooking, to cook with butter. One other menu from Vis-a-Vis. Okay, I try not to pick the one with fish, and I pick the one with where it's the pigeon au vin, Burgundy wine, pigeon with mushroom, caramelized shallots, and liver, etc. Exciting or not? Oh. So as you can see, it's very full menu, gastronomic meal with all the different steps. One of the things that is interesting in this event is that, okay, we organize this worldwide event with all the restaurants involved, etc. So, yes, we have to think also about local benefits. So the community of Good France encourages restaurants to, once again, to try to provide, to donate 5% of the sales to an NGO. Here are the 3 different NGOs that have been chosen by the 3 restaurants in Surabaya. We have Earth Hour from Surabaya. We also have another Yayasan that take care of cancer for kids, and the last one, Hotline Surabaya. So it's not only a French event. It's not only this. It's not only about cuisine. It's also a way to gather everybody around this event. And in order to conclude, Alain Ducasse, I never met him, but I'm used to read the codes. I'm used to read what he can say, because I have the feeling that behind his skills of a chef, he's also very good about talking. He's very good also when he talks about cuisine. And his this quote is pretty interesting. Talking about cuisine, French cuisine, is also talking about joie de vivre, delicacy, optimism, and pleasure. Ideas that are all crucial to the image of France. I'm pretty sure you understood it. This event is related to food, to gastronomy, to many different tastes. At the same time, it's part also of French diplomacy, because food, French gastronomy, is part also of the image of France. So I let you, I hope that you have time to write the date next week, next Thursday. Please, you're welcome if you want to try a French gastronomic meal. Thank you.